Hi, Pumpkin. Did you wake up from your nap and now you're just chilling? Hi. Want to say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma Barb. Hi. You smiling for Grandma Barb? You smiling for Grandma? Huh, Pumpkin? You gonna give a big smile to Grandma? Yeah? You gonna give a big smile to Grandma? That's River in the background saying hi too, Mom. He's just chilling. He's been doing really good, just hanging out by himself and looking around, entertaining, moving all of his limbs, getting some good exercise. Huh, Pumpkin? You're getting so big? Grandma loves you. She's gonna love this video. You wanna give a big smile to Grandma one more time? Gabriel, you wanna give a big smile to Grandma one more time? Huh, Bobby Boos? Yeah?